Thank you for visiting Rustic Door and Pine online and considering working together. I am Andy, owner of Rustic Door and Pine. Right now, you are looking at specifically what separates us from the competition when it comes to manufacturing barn doors. When our team manufactures barn doors, our craftsmanship involves quality as well as the durability of the door. Compare that with our competition, which uses shortcuts such as running their braces down flat, where we run ours straight into the corners, as we believe that keeps it from twisting and warping. The most popular barn door type that we craft is called the half X brace and has the qualities of a smooth outside finish for your interior door or rough outside for exterior. Another popular door is a 2-panel arch top, which is made out of knotty pine and gives it its own rustic look. These doors are attractive to homeowners because of their knotty pine look. We use the finest craftsmanship so that we can deliver the best quality service to our clients. Our values include custom staining and pre-finishing to your specs. At Rustic Door and Pine, we welcome you to explore our lumber yard and also take a tour in our showroom. Please call 814-280-8104 to plan your next visit or to receive a free custom quote today.